calling about is area code 626-409-9503.
Thank you. All right, and may I please have your name?
My name is Jason Armstrong, but the account holder is Maria Armstrong.
Thank you. And Mr. Armstrong, may I please have you verify the billing address?
Sure, it's 15624 East Daymar Road, La Puente, California, 91744.
I appreciate that. Thank you. How can I help you?
The reason why I'm calling today is because I actually was wondering why the deductible is more than the actual cost of repair for the problem that I'm having. So the amount of repair is going to be $160. That's how much it costs if I were to take the phone myself. But you're charging me $199 for the deductible. Can you perhaps maybe explain to me why that's happening?
I can definitely take a look further into the information here and see what's going on. It's just going to be a moment here while I do so.
Okay.
Okay, I'm not showing anything in reference to a repair. I am only showing a deductible, and that is the $199.
Right. The reason why, but I spoke to two representatives, and both of them are saying that, well, basically I have to get a replacement phone.
Mm-hmm.
I don't need a replacement phone. All I need is a repair.
Mm-hmm. I understand, sir. However, our system is set up to automatically determine if a repair is available as an option. If it is not for any reason, then it does not populate with that as an option, and it only populates with the option that is available.
Okay, so basically you're telling me that there's nowhere that I can get this repaired. I have to get a replacement.
We're just simply advising that the repair is not available at this time, and we can only offer you the option that is available, and that would be the replacement.
Okay, but I'm a little bit unclear about where. Okay, just so we're clear, where would I go to get it repaired? Is there actually
I apologize, sir, since the repair is not populating, then I wouldn't be able to answer that for you.
But see, the reason why I'm asking is because I'm in the middle of LA County.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm not sure if you're familiar with that, where that's at. But like, there's everything.
Yes,
there's everything here. There's a screen repair place walking distance from where I'm at.
Okay. Well, if you would like to go on ahead and do that personally on your own behalf, you're more than welcome to do so. But it's not something that we would be able to authorize.
Okay, but that's what I have insurance for, correct? So that I don't have to pay
You have insurance to guarantee a replacement. A repair is not guaranteed.
Okay, so that's okay. So now I'm going to ask you a couple questions, if that's okay.
Okay.
Okay, now, so what was your name or your representative number?
My name is Melissa.
Okay. Is there like a rep number or something, or did you just want to go with the
Yes, sir. That is D as in David.
Okay.
T as in Tom.
Okay.
62480.
Okay. Now, and you're an Asurion representative, correct?
That is correct, yes, sir.
Okay, and you're a supervisor, correct?
I'm with the Care Solution team.
Okay. Okay, so now let me ask one more question. So the number one repair or replacement problem, what is that? So when somebody calls in with a problem, what is the number one problem that they usually call in with? Do you know that by any chance?
Those statistics are not provided to me, no, sir.
Okay, so off the top of your head, what would you say?
There's a number of different issues that we deal with on a daily basis, sir, so I wouldn't be able to advise you what the top one would be.
Okay, so
I don't keep track of that information.
Okay, so when somebody calls in, what do they usually call in about? Would you remember that by any chance, or is it just
generally a damaged device?
Such as a screen crack or maybe something minor?
several different issues that would refer to a damaged device.
Like a cracked screen, correct?
For example, yes, sir.
Okay. So would you say when
Not
people...
necessarily the only one.
Okay, so when you call... Okay, not like a percentage-wise. Now, when people call in with a cracked screen, what would you say the percentage of those callers would be? What would you... If you would just give me a rough estimate. I'm not sure... It doesn't have to be a perfect, just a rough.
That I apologize, sir. I wouldn't even be able to speculate.
Okay. So, okay, I'm gonna give you a statistic. Okay, so now if a person calls in, are they usually calling in with a broken phone or a repair? What would you say?
Generally a broken phone.
So generally broken, not repair. So so basically, would you say it requires a replacement, or is it possibly that it could be repaired?
That I wouldn't be able to determine, sir, because the system determines that for us.
Okay, wait a minute. So you're telling me a computer system determines that?
Right, that is correct.
Okay. Now the repairs, these repair stations. Okay, so that will answer my second question. Now the repair stations are the places where we can go. Like, say for example, like myself, I don't need a replacement, but I need a repair. Where would I get a list of these repair stations, or where would these be located?
There is no list for us to provide. We simply go through the system and it populates from there.
Okay, because the fact of the matter is that I'm calling, like I said, I'm calling from LA County, so there should be somewhere close within a range, right? And I'm in an industrial area, so but there's no record of where I can actually go, correct?
Right.
Okay, that's a question that I needed answered. Okay, now, well, the final question, I asked you this previously, but I need just a little bit of clarification. Now, the $160, now, the phone that I have right now is an iPhone 7, okay? It's the big version, or there's not really, yeah, there is a small version, but the repair on the iPhone 7 Plus is $160 for the cracked screen, okay? That's it. That's the highest end repair, but you're charging me $199 for the deductible.
I don't believe that would be accurate, sir. I apologize.
What do you mean?
Generally speaking, the repair is half of the deductible.
Okay, so for example, if I go to right now, if I were to take my phone to the Apple store, it would be $160 for the repair. That's the high end price.
That's not us.
That's the high. Okay, but you understand that that's what it is on the internet.
That's what it would be for Apple, yes, sir.
Yes.
But
okay.
Wouldn't be for Asurion.
But you understand that, correct? That's what Apple charges.
I wouldn't be able to speak on behalf of Apple. I can only speak on behalf of us.
Well, that's what they charge. But you're familiar with that range, right? Correct?
No, sir.
You're not familiar with that.
Again, I cannot speak on behalf of Apple, so
okay.
No, I'm not familiar with their range.
Okay, but you're familiar with yours, correct? Which is $199.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Okay, so that's all that I needed to ask you, Melissa. So just for reassurance, your number, your identification is DT62480?
Yes, sir.
Okay, no problem. Okay, you have a good day, Melissa. Thank you for taking my call.
You too. Thank you for calling.
Okay, bye-bye.